Hi guys, today we're going to look at how to build a burndown chart, which I think is a very good chart to show progress in a project. So this is how it looks like at the end. Here I have how many tasks I have produced for each week, and I know that the due date of the project is week 20. So therefore I have done a line which is the ideal burndown. And then this lighter green is the actual burndown, which show the progress we have. And then the dotted yellow, light green is the estimated end in a linear progression from this line. So this shows that we are probably not going to be done until week 24 if we continue in the same speed as we have right now. So that's 4 weeks too late. So how to build this one then? Well, this is the data we have when we start. We have come 9 weeks into the project, and for each week, this is the amount of tasks that we have completed. We know that we have a total of 168 tasks for the whole project, and we know that the target week is week 20. Mark that one, so we just have that one as target week. Then we could calculate that the ideal per week is 168 divided by 20, which is 8.4. So 8.4 tasks per week is our ideal burndown. So then I'll add a column here, which I call burndown, and another one called ideal burndown, like that. What's our burndown? Well, we start up with 168, and I do not want the automatic formatting, so I'll just undo that one. So after week 1, it is 168 divided, minus 5. So 163 are left after week 1. And then we can take this down. So after week 9, it's 106 left. The ideal burndown is of course also 168 from the start. Here I do not want my calculated column. And the ideal burndown then would be 168 minus ideal per week. And here I also need to add my little $sign to make sure I could copy this in a good way. So if I now take it down to week 20, it should go down to, well, that is 0. So I'll just put 0 there. So this is the ideal burndown. Now I want to do a chart out of this. So I'll take this first part. I go to insert. And here I want a chart like that. So now we have a chart where we can see how much we have done each week. So we have come a bit of the way. Now I'll take and mark this part, copy, and in here I just paste. Then you see it will come as bars as well, but that's not how I want them. I change series chart type, and the second one, the burndown, I want as a line instead, like that. And then I'll take my ideal burndown, copy it, and I paste it, and that will be a line. So that's good. Now I go to my chart design, and I'll choose this one, which I think looks quite good. And then I just do some editing here. I take this one with that fill, like that. This one, I take the fill like better green. And this one, I'll make light green outline like that. So now it's starting to look good. I now want to have the trend for this one. So I'll right click and add trend line, and I'll take linear. I change the naming of it and estimated end. So that's how we have all the things here. But as you see, this one, I want another out, or I probably have to take format trend line. Here we have it. And here I have to choose the color. I want this light color, and I want it dashed like that. But then you see it ends up below 0. That's not what we want. So then I'll mark my axis and format axis. And this one, I want the minimum to be 0. And then what you see here is that it ends at 0. So now we have a burn down diagram, burn down chart. The rest is just formatting. I could add a short title above, calling it project progress. I could add axis title. This one is tasks. Tasks like that, yes. And I want another axis title. That's the lower one. And here I call them weeks. Yes, that was misspelling up there. Not good. And then I could do some formatting by making them bold and maybe a little bigger. This one I also want bold and a little bigger, and the project like that. So yes, I could do whatever I want now to make this better looking. Maybe that was not so good. We make them a little bit smaller like that. Now we have our chart here. Quite nice looking. It didn't take much time. So if you like this video, please hit the bell button, subscribe, and share. And why not comment? That will all help with the algorithm. So please stay tuned. I will post more videos. Thank you.